Leading the market with mind-blowing gains, Cardano ADA has blown up the altcoin universe with several boosts and upgrades. Immersed in their roadmap from the beginning, the realization of the smart contracts on Cardano's game-changing proof-of-stake platform represented an important step in the platform's meticulously researched development. However, Cardano's success will no longer be based on its past accomplishments, but on the future, and this is why Cardano will go up by 500%. Be sure to watch this video until the end to find out more and not miss out on anything. This year has been a difficult one for investors, as the S&P 500 is down by almost 19%. The market for cryptocurrencies has fared worse, going from a peak of nearly $3 trillion in November last year to a current of about $1 trillion. Aggressive tightening by the Federal Reserve in response to soaring inflation has propelled investors to avoid risky assets. Amid the dumps in market turmoil, there seems to be a popular cryptocurrency that attracts attention despite falling prices. Popularly referred to as the Ethereum killer, Cardano ADA promises to solve key issues that have bedeviled speed and scalability. The price of ADA has dropped about 85% from its peak, thus creating a potential buying opportunity. Charles Hoskinson came to the crypto world to establish new systems and set impressive records with Cardano. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of the Ethereum blockchain, has once seized the opportunity to comment on Cardano's astonishing procession in the crypto space. He noted that the current Charles Hoskinson is way more different than the 2014 Charles. He established the fact that both of them have demonstrated their different approaches in incredible ways. While Buterin sees Ethereum as implementing heuristic arguments, Cardano looks to academic proofs. He concluded that Cardano has highly commendable potential. Further, cryptocurrencies like Cardano have made crypto adoption initiatives smoother and worthwhile. Cardano is speeding with full force to outrun its biggest rivals, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Compared to more than 20,000 various cryptocurrencies out there, Cardano stands out from the crowd. Founded by Charles Hoskinson, who also helped create Ethereum, the network promises security, stability, and environmental sustainability. It is also currently the 8th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market cap of about $16 billion. The largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Bitcoin, operates with a proof-of-work consensus mechanism, where miners deploy massive amounts of power to run mathematical puzzles to verify transactions and earn new Bitcoin. On the other hand, Cardano uses a proof-of-stake system to add blocks to the blockchain. Proof-of-stake means that the owners of ADA can lock up their tokens or stake them to verify new transactions. In return, they receive rewards in the form of new tokens. Cardano's development process is very calculated and deliberate. New features are added in phases, with 5 in total. Upgrades are thoroughly researched and peer-reviewed, relying on the team of developers who provide guidance and analysis. Its 4th and current development phase, known as Basho, introduces sidechains. This implies that there will be new blockchains running parallel to the main network, which can reduce congestion, lower fees, and increase speed. This update, accompanied by a Layer 2 solution known as Hydra, can theoretically help the network process 2 million transactions per second. It substantially increases Cardano's potential in the world of decentralized applications. In a way, the most important indicator of a cryptocurrency's staying power is its ability to introduce real use cases. Cardano is showing promise in this regard. Despite the recent rout in the crypto market, a period where many digital assets will likely become worthless, Cardano's development structure, unique characteristics, and potential for real-world use cases increases its chance of survival. One thing is certain: when Cardano completely allows dApps, decentralized finance, DEXs, and traditional trading platforms to develop on its blockchain, is the potential for fantastic gains will follow. Cardano aims to be a smart contract blockchain platform that permits users to interact with decentralized applications in a similar way to Ethereum and Solana. Like Solana, Cardano focuses on scalability. Ethereum suffers from low scalability. However, with ADA so far behind, the platform may have trouble catching up with its competitors. Collaborating pioneering technology with decentralized applications, Cardano was created to redistribute power to individuals. With an outstanding array of engineers working on the project, Cardano prides itself as the first platform in the crypto space to be founded on peer-reviewed research and evidence-based methods. ADA used to be a top 3 cryptocurrency, but after consecutive failures following the Alonso hard fork, it is now in the 8th position. Simply put, the hard fork had no lingering impact. Nonetheless, Cardano's promise to smart contracts on the platform caused a frenzy of attention for the cryptocurrency. With the Alonso hard fork deployed, the environmentally friendly altcoin was able to compete directly with Ethereum for new market share. As a top 10 cryptocurrency project, Cardano is ready for the next tranche of support. Cardano can only go 500 times its value if we solve all of its problems and embrace new strategies. If the dumps continue, the cryptocurrency will continue to have little to no utility. Cardano needs to act fast, as the growing crypto industry is seeing more and more competition each day. Other scalable smart contract blockchains have taken significant market share from ADA, including Solana and Avalanche. This is likely to linger if Cardano fails to do the needful. With or without smart contracts, Cardano is still positioned as a top 10 cryptocurrency project. As investor floods exchanges in the coming months, Cardano will stand out prominently to those researching altcoins for the first time. But the question is, why? Well, this is due to the upcoming Vassal hard fork, which will coincide with an upswing in participation. The conditions for massive gains lay front and center. The cryptocurrency market has been maintaining around a $3 trillion market cap before the unfortunate incidents in May. The depegging of UST in May of 2022 changed the trajectory of the entire market, dropping the market cap of almost every coin, and those coins must recover in their own time. Cardano ADA sure represents a top-tier currency in the developing altcoin market. With years of experience behind the project, ADA will eventually become a mainstay currency in the space. Without a doubt, the potential for skyrocketing to 500% still exists for ADA. If the platform can deliver more and prove to be indispensable, these gains will come sooner than expected. Moving forward, mostly due to speculations, nobody can tell you the fair capitalization of a project and how far the price could get in the future. Despite all that, realistic estimates have been set based on comparison with existing tech companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. The current crypto market is very speculative, volatile, and irrational. It is equally safe to conclude that technological advancement does not align with price or project potential. Once Cardano completes its 5-stage roadmap and deals with its limitations, more people will come and try it. Whales and institutional investors will come and utilize new investment opportunities, and the price will logically rise with the usage and adoption. When taking a sensory look at the fundamental stats for Cardano, it is difficult not to get excited about its prospects. Since social media dominates the market's discourse, an undervalued asset equates to a cheap price per unit. When ADA was no longer a penny, it remained inexpensive at under $2. It never crossed anyone's imagination that Dogecoin would be ranked so high in the crypto market. Ironically, Doge had a satirical view. It was meant to criticize the wild proliferation of junk coins. Perhaps discerning investors recognized the potential frailty of Doge's rally, so they came to Cardano. While ADA does carry the elements of speculation, notably we have the legendary rocker Gene Simmons of Kiss fame buying $300,000 worth of the crypto coin. Ethereum has long been making concerted efforts to adopt a proof-of-stake protocol, but what is seen in Cardano, it could beat Ethereum to the punch. Compiling various analyst opinions regarding ADA and its possible future predictions, it sure has a seemingly ridiculous target. According to Coinpedia, there is a case to be made for Cardano at $10, and not many years down the line, but only a matter of some months. If Cardano achieves widespread adoption, the price could easily surpass the projections. The blockchain's long-term prospects are so good. However, there is not yet a solid guarantee that it will topple Ethereum, and like all cryptocurrencies, investing in Cardano is risky. Nevertheless, if the crypto industry continues to grow and Cardano remains a major player, the rewards could outweigh the risk. Even though Cardano has been around for quite some time as an Ethereum killer, it has not been anywhere close. Cardano might have an outstanding future if it solves issues with its tech that would allow strong projects to launch on it. Hence, it will go up by 500% of its value. But what are your thoughts about Cardano and the possibility of it going up by 500%? Let us have them in the comments section below. And as always, be sure to drop a thumbs up that this video deserves. And if you don't want to miss out on future important updates, then be sure to click on the subscribe and notification button so that you can be notified immediately whenever we upload a new video on ADA News. Until then, you can watch our other videos to find out how ADA got here, and we'll see you in our next video.